switch to any level, anytime. Only from Sprint, the Now Network. With 660 foot-pounds of torque, the Sierra Heavy Duty is the most powerful one-ton V8 in its class.
Are you eating off the floor? Is you eating that off the floor? Is you eating that on the floor? No.
Never send a truck to do a Sierra's job. The 2010 GMC Sierra Heavy Duty made the best truck win.
You ain't no puppy dog. You're not supposed to eat on the floor. You dumped that shit. See the mess you made? You made all that cereal mess. Did you make a mess? Did you make a mess?
The official vehicle of the NFL.